Hi guys, I'm Stuart and today I'm going to show you our new inch ring light with remote control set. First, let's have a look at the stand. All you have to do to set it up is loosen this knob here and then simply turn the legs over like so and then tighten that knob again and you can stand up the stand just like that. To adjust the height of the tripod, you simply release these clips along the center column, just like this. Second, let's see how the light works. Connect the cable to the light. Then to turn on the light, you simply press the power button that's on the touch screen, like that. And then there's a slider as well, also on that touch panel. To adjust the color temperature of the light, simply use the slider on the touch screen, like this. And then to adjust the brightness of the light, press K and use the touch screen again. To adjust the shooting angle of the phone, simply use the two knobs at the side, like this. 15-inch ring light comes with this remote control, which enables you to remotely control the brightness and the color temperature of the ring light. Thanks for watching.